Yeah, so if I wanted to order something specialty, like maybe a special color, special item, some kind of custom order, do you guys do that? And how does that work with
Sure.
your store?
On Liberty, if I don't have it in stock, I just pick up the phone and call in
Okay.
the color the customer wants, and I generally have it within 6 weeks. If they're wanting a right swing or a left swing, all the safes generally open from the left to the right.
Okay.
But let's say a customer needs a safe that opens from the right to the left. There are two companies that will do that for us, American Security and Fort Knox. You can customize your safe with American Security or Fort Knox. They do what the customer wants. So we could sit down at my desk and we could go over all the accessories and everything they want and the color they want, and we can order it. And generally, within 8 to 12 weeks, the safe has been delivered to us.
Cool. So does it cost additional money to do a custom order, or
Yes.
is it mainly wait? Okay, so I'm gonna wait because obviously they're gonna special build my safe, and then there's some additional cost to customize.
Yes.
Okay.
If you want a different swing, then yes. Or if you want a redundant type lock where you've got the mechanical lock but you have an electronic lock, the electronic lock gets you in really quick.
Gotcha.
But let's say one day the battery's dead and you can't get the door open, you can use the mechanical lock to open
Gotcha.
it. So that is an additional cost to it.
Okay.
Lights generally cost more money.
Okay.
Things like that.
Yeah, just all upgrades, and
Yeah,
those are the
upgrades,
accessories that you're talking
absolutely.
about.